Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink an email address in Google Sheet. In my Google Sheet, I have already inserted my email. To make it a hyperlink, first click on the text to select that cell, then click on Insert and choose Link. A small dialog box will appear. In this box, paste the email address that you want to link the text to. I'm going to link it to my actual email address. Paste it in the box and then click apply. Now as you can see it has turned into a hyperlink. The text become blue and if you place your mouse cursor over it, you will see it says send email to. Showing the email address, a dialog box also appears below. And if you click the little envelope icon, it opens a new window ready to send an email to that address. That is how to hyperlink text to an email address in Google Sheet. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.